Hey, what's happening? I'm Claudio, and welcome to my channel, Make It Now. We recently moved out of the house that I remodeled over the last couple of years, and into one hell of a fixer-upper. The new place is a unique old farmhouse on 20 acres, but I'll get into the details of that in another video. This is going to be a big remodel. It's probably going to take several years, and I'm going to film it all. I've been thinking about the direction of my channel and how to move forward. I realized, mostly by watching other channels, that my favorite videos are not projects that can be wrapped up in 1 or 2 days. I enjoy watching projects that last months, or even years, with regular updates along the way. The longer I watch, the more invested I become. Moving forward, I won't be making how-to videos. That should be left to the professionals, which I am not. My goal is to document the transformation of this property, as well as our daily life here on the homestead. I know how to do some things, but I'll also be learning lots of new skills along the way. These changes are quite a big shift for me and my channel. So if you're even just a little curious to see what I'll do, stick around. Let's make it now.